You can't save them all. Hi guys, Doc Ara here, and here are some things that I learned as bivet. This is the cold hard truth, lalo na kapag baguhan ka pa lang sa field. May time talaga kahit na anong gawin mo, hindi mo talaga maliligtas ang isang buhay ng isang hayop. Ironic, isn't it? Since we wanted to be a vet to save animals, to save lives, tapos hindi lahat kaya saluhin. Hindi tayo superhuman, hindi tayo si Elphaba, si Glenda. There are things that you can't control when it comes to our field. But one thing's for sure are the things that you can control, which is ano natutunan mo. What could you improve on more? So don't be too hard on yourself. Take that experience as a reminder. Hindi mo na mauulit yun. Tuloy pa rin ang laban. Dahil marami pang ibang hayop na naghihintay para mapagaling. Share this para sa ibang nangailangan ng konting motivation, inspiration. Ayun, don't forget guys to consult your veterinarian.